how to plant apple tree and get apples in Hightail. So all you need to do is to open your workbench and craft the farmer's workbench. Then you can open it and at the top go to this section, which is saplings, and the apple sapling is available from tier 4. So you have to keep upgrading your farmer's workbench tier. Once you have tier 4 farmer's workbench, you can craft an apple sapling. And now you have to plant it whenever you want. So for example, here, here, and here. Now you have to wait until it grows. I'm gonna help it. I'm gonna switch the time. This is the small apple sapling, and I'm gonna keep repeat it. And this is the big one. This is another night, and one more time. And there are some red apples. So you can go and pick some apples. It will change to this one and you have to wait until it's grown again. So you can get an infinity source of apples using this method. You can eat it and you will get regeneration. So it's simple as that. From grabbing the apples, you can also get some essence of life. So if you find this video helpful, leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.